Unistone proudly presents its latest clay facade panel project, the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence headquarters in Vasant Kunj, New Delhi. This iconic structure is a true reflection of strength, authority, and modern architectural brilliance, brought to life with Unistone's high-quality CFP panels. The project is designed by the renowned Design Well India Private Limited, expertly constructed by Infra Projects Private Limited, and managed under the supervision of the Central Public Works Department. This project, spanning an impressive 28,500 square feet, the building's exterior is adorned with Unistone's premium clay facade panels, carefully selected in two elegant shades, terracotta and beige. Each panel, meticulously crafted to a standard size of 600 millimeters by 1,200 millimeters with a robust 15 millimeter thickness, was chosen to perfectly complement the neoclassical design of the structure. Unistone's clay facade panels offer much more than just aesthetic elegance. Engineered for superior performance, they are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting beauty and structural integrity. These panels maintain their finish and color vibrancy over time, resisting wear and environmental damage. The facade showcases a striking balance between heritage and modernity, featuring grand symmetrical columns, finely detailed cornices, and structured geometric patterns that give the building a bold yet sophisticated character. The thoughtful arrangement of these panels not only enhances the visual appeal but also reinforces the sense of order, discipline, and professionalism that the institution represents. Crafted from eco-friendly materials, Unistone CFP panels align with sustainable building practices, supporting green architecture without compromising on strength or design. Furthermore, their low-maintenance nature makes them an ideal solution for large-scale projects, significantly reducing upkeep costs while preserving the facade's pristine look for years to come. The installation of Unistone's clay facade panels was executed with precision and expertise. Unistone's contribution extends beyond the exterior facade. Our high-quality clay facade panels have also been installed in the hall area. The seamless integration of CFP panels in the hall creates a cohesive architectural design, maintaining the aesthetic harmony of the entire building. With meticulous planning and expert craftsmanship, the facade was brought to life, reinforcing Unistone's reputation for excellence in architectural solutions. The Directorate of Revenue Intelligence headquarters is not just a building, it is a landmark of excellence. Unistone is honored to contribute to such a prestigious project, reaffirming its role as a pioneer in innovative facade solutions. Unistone, elevating architecture with timeless design.